Hey guys, how's it going? Episode 9. So, we gotta take care of the user now. Let's go and open database and see what's going on there. Okay, we don't have anything here. What we have to do, I have to see my keyboard first. Make migrate. So we gotta run this. Now we should have some stuff here. Correct. We have task, we have user, but we don't have the enough fields, right? So in the episode 8, in the previous one, we created our user service, right? So we gotta use it to add stuff. So we have this service a lot. I think we should focus and make progress today. So we have this task repo service and we're gonna create user repo. Amazing. Task new, no, it's user new service. We're gonna give the database as in, okay, it has to be repository and user service. Users new service. We pass the repo here. And controller, let's use the new user and pass the service. That's already very good. I'm gonna run this in a bit, but we have to create our model user here, right? Username. We don't have the other stuff, so we gotta create it. So let's go to the model step by step. Email string, password string. Yeah, maybe create it at string. No, it's time. It's gonna be time, right? Did we spell it right? Yes, correct. So let's fill the other ones. Email, password. Amazing. So either we're gonna return user from DB. I don't know what we're gonna do with this, but let's keep it. And we're gonna return error. If error is not nil, let's log it so we will know what's going on. Otherwise, let's print the user from DB. Later, we take care of it. And we have to make, what was the thingy? I forgot. Migrate create. Make migrate create name. It's going to be at email password to users, password columns to users, table. We have to be descriptive, right? I don't know if did I say it correctly, but you got it. And let's go here, alter table tasks. No, users, add column. What was it? Email, worker, capital. And add another one and password. Correct. Worker as well, 50. And for the other migration, we just replace this with drop and just remove this and this too. Fingers crossed. I hope that is gonna work. Yeah, let's make migrate. Oh, it worked. Let's go to database again. I love this shortcut, by the way, shift database, and it opens it. There's an integrated database. You can use it in Goland. And we see the fields. Amazing, guys. Okay, so what else do we need to do? Are we ready to run it? Think so, right? Forgot. We need to also add the create one. Ah, let's should we add it? Let's do it in the next one. Okay. So if we write toggle line breakpoint, it adds and removes it. So username, email, and password. And 2, 3. And user, email, user, password. That really should be it. So let's run it. I hope it works. Let me open browser. Let me. It's add user, right? That was the thingy. Form appears. So let's see. We gotta see something on the screen. So test. No validation so far. Forms fields are not good, but looks like we got the records. We got the records, guys. That's the most important. All right, I keep it here. I will see you in the next one.